Oh no, another breakout. Not again. So here's what actually happened. A couple of days ago, I was working super late and I came home so tired that I completely skipped my nighttime skincare routine. And there you go, breakout right on my forehead. Lesson learned. No more skipping my nighttime skincare routine. So, what's my ideology about PM skincare routine? You know how talking on the phone for long can drain the phone's battery? Wearing makeup does the same thing to your skin if you wear it for the whole day. You'll have clogged pores, early signs of fine lines, wrinkles, breakout, and even inflamed skin. So for me, my nighttime skincare routine is like recharging my skin for a fresher tomorrow. Start by dipping a cotton pad in water to remove my makeup. Once done, taking 2 pumps of my mild cleanser to remove all leftover makeup. Washing my face clean with plain water and then patting it dry. Taking a small amount of moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Remember to apply it generously and in an upward motion, followed by a repair serum targeting all my acne breakouts. Tap, 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 and done. So make sure that the products you use are completely suitable for your skin type. And that's it. I'm in for a good night's sleep. How about you?